and somehow the water sticks to it. It's all random. And with random event comes other random things, like survival of the fittest. So anybody who's got the big guns and the more power they can make the rules. But in a created environment, there are laws of nature that we have to obey. So that, further than that, I'm not going to go into it. But you can figure that out.
Well, I can.
Yeah. Smart lady, you can figure that out. How come they're censoring these books in the schools? All these books are censored. They're censoring those books. And these experiments, they're censoring all these experiments. Do you have a cell phone? You can take a real close picture. And I have 2 or 3 of these books. Doctors and scientists over the years have written those books, but the schools don't want them. NASA's lying. Look, this is a spacewalk. We see bubbles in space, the little air bubble going up the helmet of the astronaut. And when they're inside that International Space Station, they're either in this zero-G plane. It's a plane that goes down real fast and you're like free falling. Yeah. Or they have harnesses and wires. So why are they doing all this to us? If they can fool us, they can rule us. You know what else? There's something right here. Why? What is the difference between being educated with lies or being uneducated? There's no difference. The kings didn't want the serfs to read because educated people are hard to control. The government wants to control us. Do you ever know that? I've never had anybody say that they trust the government. Never.
Not ultimately, no.
So we got to stand for the truth, and that's the way we'll be smart and strong.
Let me know where the frick.
Fascinating, isn't it?
I still don't know what the point is. What if you're right?
We are right. Well, I've been studying this 2.5 years.
What does it change, though?
What does it change? Well, it puts the liars out of control. We might get our lives back.
So, are you planning
All I'm doing is teaching the truth. Where that goes, I have no idea. I'm not planning anything.
Are you planning a revolt?
I'm planning stuff, yeah.
Like what? What are you going to do?
My plan is if enough people know the truth, that the vision I have in my head is people dropping their shovels. And say, we're not doing this anymore. This is stupid.
Yeah, it is.
That's the fantasy vision I have. But I don't know where the tipping point is, how many people need to know that are willing to just drop everything and say enough is enough.
The general population has to catch on to start thinking for themselves.
But only a percentage needs to.
True.
I don't know what that is.
And then what will happen?
I don't know. What do you think will happen?
I have no idea.
I think a lot of people will be carrying pitchforks and torches.
Yeah, I think we'll be getting the liars out of office.
They're going to get some people.
Yeah, that's why they're building. The really rich people have these underground caves that they're going to go to. Did you ever hear of that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you a survivalist?
Not as much as I should be, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. You can never be prepared enough.
Yeah.
But you are prepared.
Semi,
I guess.
Semi. Because I know what you need to be prepared.
Hey, we're being lied to. You should look this up. Hi there, I was down at Penn State Abington last week.
Okay.
Look up my videos. The Earth is a flat plane. You can look this up yourself at home. The Earth is a flat plane. There's scientific evidence. You can look it up. Earth is a flat plane. There's no evidence for a globe. Hey, the Earth is a flat plane. You can look this up yourself. Scientific evidence. Won't hurt you.
Yeah, I was thinking for a while, but I realized he was printing the money. He who controls the money controls the nation.
That's the truth.
I believe that too.
That's the truth. Here, you can look this up. More on the flat Earth. Scientific evidence. You must be sisters. Are you twins? All right. Hey. The horizon is always at your eye level. It never goes down, even on top of Mount Everest. We do not live on a spinning ball. Water does not stick to a spinning ball.
Yes, every bit of it.
Wow.
My favorite is the vacuum of space where it meets Earth. Where's the barrier that prevents the atmosphere from getting sucked?
A vacuum has to have a barrier.
Especially if you've looked at vacuums and how powerful they are, lifting up buses, collapsing big containers.
Yes.
This is whack.
Yeah, and the NASA wants us to think there's a vacuum out there.
Yeah, but then they come up with something because of the gravity and...
Yeah, and we believe it. We eat that stuff, hook, line, and sinker. You can look at stuff up. Good information, scientific information. On the back, there's a lot of good information. Watch out with your kids. It's really helpful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Go get the pizza. The pizza's done, I'm sure.
I set my timer.
Ask Mark for the money. Mark's buying. Give him the money, Mark. Cough it up. Cough up the dough, buddy. Isn't that funny? Look, no dust on the foot pads. No dust. And look, it's aluminum foil. It's that gold foil like you wrap your presents in. And they want us to believe this. I mean, how did I miss that all back then? I mean, I feel so dumb now. I feel abused.
It's funny, my mother never believed that they went.
Really? Oh, well, she was smart. Well, if you look at the moon in the daytime, you can see through it. It's blue. How do you look through it if you can land on it? You can't.
Only things that were glitching out were things that were actually
I feel better
Oh, but no, but it's deeper than that for sure. NASA supposedly takes $53 million a day. How about naming some of the benefits of $53 million last year?
Scientific information you can look up yourself. Real science here, real science. Nothing made up. NASA's lies. NASA lies. Oh, yes, sir. I can tell you about it. You want one of them? You have to tell me that we live on a spinning ball. You have to give me a real fact.
I'm starting to believe you guys.
I can tell you in 30 seconds.
What?
This is the flat Earth map. This is the Gleasons.
Right.
It's in the Boston Library. North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around. Did you hear that before?
Yeah.
Okay. Then all these organizations use the flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica.
Right.
They don't want you to
They
know.
don't want us to know, right?
You know about the curvature formula?
Yes.
60 miles of Lake Michigan. You know about the reflections?
Yep.
Okay. You know about star trails?
Yes.
Okay. And this is what they teach us in the schools.
Right.
So you can't get that from this.
Right.
And you know, there's NASA has on their website 2 different
I know.
sizes.
Yeah.
All right.
I've
This is the 200 proofs video. Both of these sets. So this will give you all that. But the other 2 videos down here, if you type that in, you'll get 2 more videos. One is a time lapse of the sun. The other is why you think the sun sets. It's like a magnification thing.
Okay,
So
cool.
check those out. And I'm on that website, and so are my buddies.
Okay, great.
Thanks for stopping. Tell all your friends.
I don't know.
Tell them to stop by here. Tell them to stop by here.
Right, I want to get one
Yeah,
of
go
those.
ahead. Take as many as you
Can I
like.
get a globe or the paper?
And what are you going to do? What are you going to do with it if you get one?
I'm going to tell everyone. You believe me.
Here, you can take one and just hook a lanyard on it, but don't pull real hard because it'll come off.
See, this is my thing, and this is what I just told her. I've personally never been to outer space and looked down, so
Yeah.
I can't know for sure what's what.
That's right. But you can test curvature. Because I've been to Wildwood and I can see Atlantic City 32.6 miles away, and you shouldn't be able to.
Right, I get you. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
What do you do for a living?
Well, I take care of my mom.
Okay.
So I guess I'm retired.
All
So I
right.
live with my mom, take care of her. So that's why I can go out and do this.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah. But yeah.
Were you a teacher or anything before?
No, but my dad was a math teacher. I have a college degree in business and finance.
Okay. So
My son was a physics major.
I'm just asking because I like people that aren't just crackpots.
We're the truthers.
Yes.
We are truthers. We want truth. We search for it. We do our own research.
Right.
And I do have meetings like throughout the year around here. I'm from around here.
Okay.
So.
Where at?
Well, look on the website and I'm going to post things. I'm also on Facebook, Flat Earth PA on Facebook. The groups.
Set you up to, you can go to any meeting you want.
All right.
Yeah, look, the groups are on that website. You'll
All right.
see it.
Check it out. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, dear.
Yep.
Real science. Real science. Real science.
Real science,
Absolutely.
flat Earth.
Yes, sir. I can tell you in about 30 seconds. This is a flat Earth map. It's in the Boston Library. It's called Glasson's map. North Pole's in the center. Antarctica goes all the way around the outside edge. The United Nations and these other world organizations use a flat Earth map, but they leave off Antarctica. I don't think they want you to know it goes around the outside edge. If there is a spinning ball, then it has to have a formula for how far out you go, how far down it drops. There has to be. Here's the formula, 8 inches times a mile squared. So here's Chicago across 60 miles of Lake Michigan. 1,700 feet it should be down. You should not see Chicago. When I'm in Wildwood, I should not see Atlantic City. 681 feet of curvature is missing.
So, no, wait a minute. So, bottom line, you're saying the Earth is flat?
Correct.
Oh, good grief. Here you go.
See, now I just told her facts, and she rejects the facts. Go ahead, look up there. Yeah, because that's your mind saying that you can't accept it. You're not thinking. Start thinking. That's their reaction. And you have to realize that it's not their fault. They've been indoctrinated. Oh, goodness, I'm getting... Yeah, but did you learn something? Hi, did you ever hear of the flat Earth?
Yeah, where you
Oh, you got it? Good job. Good job.
Yes, some questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
How does like night and day change?
Okay. Well, the sun is very small and it's close. It's only, I think it's like 10 miles from the Earth. And it's very small. It's not 400 times the size of the Earth. So if you had a flashlight and were shining it down and just moving it around, it would get far enough away where you wouldn't see it. It would be dark.
So, how do you even explain lunar eclipses?
Okay, well, the Earth is not going in between the sun and the moon. That's not happening. So how do you explain it? All right, there's some things in ancient literature called Rahu and Ketu. They are other heavenly bodies up there that they're not telling us about. There's a guy...
Same class as Nibiru? So that means you believe in Nibiru as well?
I don't believe in those. I just say that there's a possibility there's other heavenly bodies up there. When there was an eclipse...
Planets?
No, they're not like... They're like orbs, they say. Now listen to this. They went up to film the eclipse in an airplane. This one guy caught 5 orbs on his camera, and they were not reflections off the lens. 5 of them up there. Now, we can't really see them, but they could be colored. They could be what's causing the red moon, the blood moon. And it also could be what's causing the red spot on Jupiter. It could be orbiting Jupiter.
So are the other planets round or are they flat too?
All we see is a two-dimensional object. We cannot tell if it's spherical.
What about like,
Satellites going around Mars?
You mean man-made satellites?
So you don't believe
Man-made satellites?
What other kind is there?
Okay, well, I don't think there are any satellites.
You don't believe there's any satellites?
No, that goes along with this. Okay, but they do put them up on weather balloons to take pictures occasionally, but they're see, all those planets and things, they are really close. They're not far away.
But are they round?
They are circular, and that's all we can tell. That's all we can tell. If you watch this video down here, which is all this information, you'll see all this again. So watch this, and then look up what you don't know.
what about seasons?
Seasons? Okay. So you think the seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth. That's what they teach us. So you really think the tilt, having an indirect ray, is going to cause seasons to change? Isn't it better to know that there's something closer heating things up as it goes around, and then when it goes farther away, it's colder, it's not heating up as much?
So you
like
said,
this.
You said that you believe that the sun is 10 miles away. Do you have any facts to prove that?
I have as much fact as 93 million miles away.
Well,
But I have
people
more
have
fact,
people have
actually.
actually done like research in space, right? Like, I feel like we'd be able to reach the sun if it was 10 miles away. Wouldn't we?
Why are they lying to us?
Well, if they can fool us, they can rule us. Did you know the kings didn't want the serfs to read? Did you know that?
What's the point of telling us?
Wait,
that the Earth
one.
is round?
Okay, so I'm trying to get at here. Here it is. What's the difference between being educated with lies or being uneducated? There's really no difference. I got a piece of paper, it says I got a degree, but if I don't know the truth, I really don't know anything, do I? So I'm uneducated. It's only when you know the truth that you have real power. So if they lie to us and we believe the lies, we are powerless against them. And the governments of the world are all like united under the world of the United Nations. The United Nations. See? So you have to start here, and it's going to take you at least 3 weeks to understand this. But it's all evidence. Just watch the videos at that, and you'll get the 200 proofs, which is all that stuff on there. And then the ones after that, you'll see the time lapse of the sun as it shrinks, as it moves away. If the sun was really 93 million miles away, it would never change size. But if it's close, it will change size as it moves away. So those are proofs. Okay? Look, the line on the water, this is reality right there. That's reality. A reflection line. If it's curved like on a ball, you only get a spot. That's reality. That's proof. Okay?
Isn't like that's just the Earth rotation? So like if it's here and you're rotating, now that's the sun like moving away.
Yeah, but you know what? You have to see the time lapse of the sun moving away and getting smaller. Then you'll say, that doesn't fit that ball model. Okay, and the sun does not go like this. The sun actually goes like this. That's different than what you've been taught. So try and translate that in your mind when you're watching. Does everybody have one of these?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, good job. Thanks for stopping, guys.
Thank you. You gave me nothing.
You stay with Daddy. Science evidence right here. You can look up yourself. This is real science. Real science. The Earth is a plane. It's not a spinning ball. This is real science. This is the truth. Check out the banners up here. You can look this up yourself at home.
We're starting. It's always just going to deal with it, you know. But thank you, I appreciate it.
Hi. Did you get one of these cards?
No, thank you.
Hey guys, do you feel like hemmed in? Because I will switch places with you tomorrow.
So we're leaving, actually.
Oh, now?
Yeah, we're leaving now.
Are you coming
Yeah.
tomorrow?
No, we were just here for part of the day today.
Oh,
so you can
okay.
like blend together if you
Okay, I was just going to offer that to you, but that's fine.
want. Yeah, so in a couple minutes you guys can
Awesome.
just slide down.
Okay, super. You can look all this up when you have a chance at home. You can watch the videos. It's real science. If you give me one reason why we live in a spinning ball, I'll give you one. Hi there. How are you?
All right. So, what other things need to be revealed to the masses? What are some other issues you think that need to be?
There's a lot. The guy who went to get pizza, he has a. Oh, there he comes. He has another website called Truth Pirates. And that has a lot of stuff on there, like vaccines, preservatives in our food, all that stuff.
GMOs,
Yeah, I hate that stuff, and they're doing that, to make us dumb.
Absolutely,
To dumb
dumbing
us
down
down.
of society is important.
Yeah, it is.
Easier to control.
That's
if people
right.
think for themselves, they see through the lies.
That's
and if
right.
people see through the lies,
They can't be controlled.
Right, exactly. It's
Then
all
we
about
question,
power
how
and
come we're
control.
paying taxes?
Yeah, really, seriously. Yeah. Do you yourself follow some people on YouTube at all?
I am starving. Follow on YouTube. Who do I follow? I follow myself.
Yeah, no, but there's some good people or truth.
Yeah, Richie from Boston I watch occasionally, yeah.
And there's a guy, High Impact Flicks, now called High Impact Vlogs, because he was taken down by YouTube, because YouTube is like finding anybody who discusses anything that disrupts the matrix, and they're just like, it contradicts the propaganda.
The proper,
and they're like, cut them off the knees.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
Woohoo! Hi, honey. So, yeah, we got pizza. And Dave got water, thank God. Oh, I was so thirsty and hungry. And do you want to put it up like on my seat or something? I mean, you can put this in here. That way it'll be off the pizza. Yeah, you can put it in here. Will it fit like there?
Okay.
Yeah, that might be good. That way it's out of the way. There's plates right here. Look. There's plates and water.
I read really wonderful article about this is a real veggie pizza with vegetables.
I love it.
I worry that the population is going to be all attributed to the vaccines that are being done. And this is a guy who's a leader. He spoke recently, and he said most of these conservatives
You're traveling 500 miles an hour in the same direction with a 1,000-mile-an-hour Earth spinning beneath you.
Is he able to see the videos?
I don't know. I was going to ask him, but then we
I have the answer.
talking.
Yeah, no. I
Got sidetracked.
How's it going up here?
Yeah, the same as your end. It's just quieter.
have to believe this because there's no proof. Clouds above our heads right now, they're spinning with the Earth. They're attached magically to the Earth. And so there's a magical cocoon in which our atmosphere actually moves with the Earth. Now that's hard to believe because remember, the further away you get from the center of that spinning ball, the further away, the faster it has to be moving. Because, right, we're here at the equator, we're only spinning about, or at the equator, we're spinning 1,000 miles an hour. And here in Pennsylvania, it's only about 6 or 7 miles an hour. Because we're not at the, you know, the wide,
People were being cured. They were really happy. So now, of course, you have the people putting the
all that water sticks to you. What would you tell them? Right, it's crazy, right? You never thought of any of that stuff. Now even crazier is when you start to think about how we know water acts. We know, as in this photo right here, right? You see that's water. Water always finds, resting water that is, bodies of water, always and find their level. Now, how the heck do you get water that always wants to seek and find its level to stick to a spinning ball going 1,000 miles an hour? You guys have been fun, so hang on one second, I'm going to give you a little paper. You guys have I'll just give you 2. Because I can't not. This is biblical. Are you guys Christians?
Yeah.
This is 100% biblical. God said the earth doesn't move. This is about the circle of the earth. It goes on and on. The sun is always moving in the Bible. Joshua 10:13, he stopped the sun from moving. In 2 Kings, it talks about the worship of the stars, the sun, the planets. This is all sun worship that we're under right now. It's crazy. Thank you so much for listening too.
Thank you.
Please look into it.
There's one lit up, see? There's colors or there's blue.
I see people walking with them. I didn't know what it was.
It's just like it's
It looks really cool. They had it last night in the dark. They were all lit up. It was really neat. Yeah.
He said,
Thank you.
You guys aren't walking upside down. Okay.
They fooled us all. They fooled you.
I got a dream. What is it? There's a $10,000 reward if anybody can prove that Earth is a ball. Anybody wants to take 10 grand really real quick? No one's done it yet. Huh? That's weird, right? Not walking upside down. Crazy. They did it because they fooled you. They were lying. That piece of pizza was good. Nice. I didn't eat too much pizza. So this was that young lady's tent, right?
Yeah, they're leaving.
Marilyn, I want to do schools from now on. I think we just go to schools. These people are hopeless. 90% of them are done. They're fried.
I know.
The young people, they're our only hope. And half of them will listen just because they like to have a joke.
The
and
earth is
meanwhile, they'll absorb
motionless.
some of it.
The earth is flat.
Check
No
this
real
out.
pictures of Earth in space. They're all
Condemnation before
CGI.
investigation. They say it's the highest form of ignorance.
It was all just pretend.
You guys actually have real jobs. I'm just asking for it.
No, I'm just saying it's absolutely just straight up insulting. Well, that's just it's a saying. Yes, I mean, no way. Don't insult us as we walk by. We're just. I was just making a statement. Ignorant.
Well, you are.
What are we doing? We got a tent to use. Well,
All right, guys. Great.
it's a matter of opinion. No, it's not. It's not an opinion.
Tom said I couldn't do the tent. She to help.
Do you need help besides you with the baby?
I'm not really sure.
Yeah,
Okay,
don't get bonked.
I don't want her to lose the baby.
Due to the fact that the earth is flat, it's pretty easy to get these things down.
Ah, jeez.
Don't forget the motionless part. Yeah, I kind of miss the CGI world I used to think I lived in.
Squeeze the red thing in the middle. It didn't. Yeah, that has to come off of that.
Where's your
I did. I
magnetic
already got it
stickers?
off.
All right, good.
Where's your magnets for your van?
Alright, I gotta get out.
Magnets for my. Oh, because it's plastic. They don't stick. You can leave that on. It crunches up.
Even the gate's plastic?
The what? Tailgate? The what?
Yeah, it's called a gate.
Yeah.
Wow.
Of course, I was going to give you an answer. I can give you an answer. Go, hang out on it. Hang out on it. All right, go to a football field, right? And if you're on a large football field, you light up a light bulb, just maybe a foot off the ground, right? Are you getting lit on the opposite side of that football field? You will. You're receiving light. Absolutely. Car light. You put a car on one end, you don't see the other end. No problem. Absolutely. Really? You sure about that? Yeah, positive. Positive. I don't know, man. If I had a car right here and I could shine my headlight more than 100 yards, easy. You know there's water in our atmosphere? You know that with a long enough distance, that water is going to block any light. We call it fog.
I don't think that was a good one to use.
I want to go home.
We went from the light close to the ground to a headlight in the car. Big freaking difference. That's a tough one to explain to people.
Well, if they're not willing to even look into it, what are you going to do?
That guy would never look into it.
No.
Here's an idea for you.
What?
To draw people in. Come have your picture taken with the flat earther.
Ah!
You'll be all over it.
Now, how am I going to do this? Should I have to move it, but where should I put it?
What do you mean?
Just open it up.
Oh, it's a table. You can just turn it around.
So, did you give this space to anybody else for tomorrow or anything?
No, because we were just here for one day.
Okay, so I can use it and you won't.
Unless they have someone else that's just tomorrow.
Yeah, did you tell them you're only going to be here one day? How much did you pay? 2 days or 1 day?
I have no idea.
Oh, you don't know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone else set it up for us.
All right.
I just knew we were only here for one day. All right, so ready? 2 minutes.
Hi. Hello. What? Do I look funny to you? I look funny? Oh, this will get you. Peekaboo.
She loves that.
Peekaboo. That always gets them. I love toes. Tickle toes. Oh, don't do that. I hate that. I hate that.
I think the college kids are way more open to that.
They are. I had a great time at Penn State and Temple. That was good.
Tell us, it's a lot. All right, guys, give me 2 minutes of time.
All right, great. Now you can join.
Thank you, dear. See ya.
It's all natural.
I am a tomato.
How much did you say you paid for this spot?
Oh yeah, we need to chip in some money for that.
Yeah, $100 for the 3 days. So whatever. Adam gave me some, so whatever.
Did you?
But you paid the pizza. Oh, you don't have to do that much. Well, thank you.
I'm not going to be here tomorrow.
I'm not gonna look at gift
Were
horse.
you here last night?
I was here last night by myself.
Right. I'd give you some money, but I can't reach my wallet.
That's all right.
You want to put your hands in my pocket?
What will I find? A hole? There's a hole in my pocket, dear Liza, dear Liza. I'm going to move this up here now. Oh, I can't move it because this is holding this up. That's terrible. Here, you want one yourself? Go ahead, you can take it. There's a hole in my pocket. There's some serious mulch on that truck.
Yeah, illegally put on that truck.
Did you ever hear of the flat earth before? Scientific evidence, you should look it up. You can look it up at home.
If you stand on the edge of the road, tossing cars in the moving cars.
Yeah, you have a thing on your tooth. How about my teeth? Still there, this one. There, you got it. Now it's right in the middle. Let me see. That's good. Yep, we do not live on a spinning bulb. We can prove it.
You gotta use the gold side. The money side. You gotta draw them in. Nobody likes to see words.
I do.
Pictures.
If it's information.
No, people can't read.
Oh, she stopped.
Okay, so it took her. Oh, why did she stop? What was it that she stopped for?
Didn't want to be filmed. See, that's my camera. You can't really tell. I mean, it's like you really can't. People don't
Is that
notice.
really why she's complaining?
Yeah, he turned his camera away.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I forgot he was filming. I was right next to him. You're filming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you gotta be careful what you say. I said something in front of his camera I shouldn't say.
Like, what'd you say?
Well,
She
I'm not
was
gonna
dumb?
say it again.
Yeah, have it on
Did you
twice.
say a curse word?
No.
Oh.
I made a sexual innuendo.
Oh no!
I was trying to be funny, but then after I said it and found out he was recording, I'm like,
Oh, I don't. I'm gonna hear his video. I'm gonna hear what you said. I'm gonna hear that.
maybe he'll edit it out.
Hi, you can look this up at home. It's really good. He's done for.
Yes.
The baby in the carriage. He was like, she's listening.
What are they carrying? Is this decorations for Halloween?
Yeah. Corn shocks.
Oh, I always see them when they're not green.
Yeah.
That's what.
That's a different variety, though. Look at that.
It's like bamboo.
It does. It does look like bamboo, but look how long the. Yeah, maybe it is.
I got one. I put in the car when I put my bag in. I'm going to.
Do you have some questions?
I didn't read it. I set it in the car with my bag.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. There's a hole in my pocket, dear Liza, dear Liza. There's a hole in my pocket, dear Liza, a hole. Yes, we have. You got a science question? Can you prove to me we live in a spinning ball holding water?
Magically?
I'll get it one of these days. Magical spinning ball holding water onto the outside. They're lying to us. We do not live on a spinning ball.
All right.
Look it up. There's information on the back you can look up at home.
On there, her husband, no, her daughter.
Should be keeping track of what my percentage is.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. I must have a box missing that I didn't get into my car this morning. But that doesn't account for the missing little fittings.
Yeah, that's weird if you keep them all together.
I know.
I think about 20% handout rate. Unless they're younger, then I'm at like a 50%.
A lot of people walk by twice. You notice that?
Yeah, that's true.
We've been duped.
That's not fair.
They say planes travel 550. I think it's a lie.
Yeah, I think that whoever makes the gauges can change that.
Yeah, because I'd watch them go across the sky sometimes when they're low. That's not going that fast.
Yeah. But see, they would want you to think it's faster,
Yeah,
so they can cover more ground.
You guys Christian? I said Everything NASA says is exactly the opposite.
Hi.
Big time.
No thanks.
Yeah, look it up.
Everything is, guys says they can't show the dimensions of the earth, right? NASA says we do. Everything is out. Guy says the stars are angels. They say no, they're not. They give you computer-generated images.
That's the truth.
Hear you.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Okay, thank you.
Good job, Mark.
Something to say in like 10 seconds.
She smells that dead squirrel that used to be there that I carried away.
With her bare hands.
We
Like a
appreciate
maniac.
that.
Yeah,
That's what I want. A little dog. Oh, I thought that was a cat.
it's a dog.
No, that's a cat now.
Nobody's walking upside down on spinning ball.
That's what I say about our dog, because we have a mix between a poodle and Shih Tzu, which is a dog. Okay, where's all the customers? We've been duped. We've all been a big lie.
That's the truth.
Sure?
We've been duped.